Here we have this question. All have been messed up. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm just starting. Okay, here we have some questions on your screen. Okay, here we have some questions and you have to solve this one. Remind my screen is visible to you now?
Yes.
Okay, so here we have okay. Now we have a questions. For example, we have middle term split and different types of questions we are just going to have in our syllabus. Okay, and there are some important questions that are being coming in your examinations, like middle term splits we have discussed. Okay, so what we actually does in the middle term split, you are very much familiar that we just split the middle term. Okay, for example, if I'm having 4x square, okay, 4x square and minus let's suppose I'm having mm, 9 here, okay, and then 5x plus 9, sorry, minus 9 here, okay, minus 9 here. So try to solve this one, try to solve this one, then we shall be moving further. Okay, okay, how will you solve this one? First, what we are going to do in the middle term split is just we are just going to multiply these two terms. Okay, so when we multiply these two terms, what we are going to get here? You will get minus of 36, and minus product will only possible if we have the two terms. One is positive term multiplied by with negative term. Got it? Got it? Rima, you got it?
Yes.
So when we have a
Yes, sir.
positive number, another we have a negative number, and we are just multiplying these two numbers, one positive, one negative, then you will going to get minus as a product, okay? Because we have minus 36. So one number is positive, another number is negative. And here this sign indicate that the bigger number is negative, because if we have two opposite sign number and we are just adding these two, okay? So and we are getting the sum as negative, then the bigger number should be negative. Okay. So 36, 4 minus the 36. So one is number is 9, another number is 4. So when you add these, now you have to multiply this two, you will get 36. But you have to choose one number as negative, another number as positive. So choose the bigger one as negative. Okay. So you will get minus 9 into 4, you will get minus of 36. And there's a product is minus of 36 here. Now what you are going to do here is 4x square minus, now I have told you whenever you have two terms, one number is positive, another number is negative, like minus 9x, another one should be plus 5x. So what you are going to do here is, sorry, plus 4x. You have to put this number or the second term as negative. So this will be 9x plus 4x minus 9, so that it will not be easy for you. I mean, it will be easy for you. Okay. You can put this term here also, but try to put the second term as negative. Okay. This is called middle term split. And now what you are going to do here is take the x as common in first two term, because the maximum you can take common is x. Then 4x minus 9 it will be. And then plus take 1 as common here. And then it will be 4x minus 9. Then 4x minus 9 will be the first bracket. Another bracket will be x plus 1. Got it? Got it, Rima?
Yes. Yeah. Got it, sir.
Okay, next. Next, what we are going to do is, let's have this next question. This is very simple question. I can send you, Rima, if you are having any problem in middle term split, then I can send you a lecture. Okay, you can watch it and you can go through it. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir.
Now
Yeah.
let's move to the next type of questions. Generally, that is a question that we have a question here is, if if a plus comma b comma c are all non-zero, all or non-zero numbers, okay, and a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Okay. If a comma b comma c all are non-zero and a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then then prove that a square upon bc plus b square upon ac or ac or ca same thing, plus c square upon ab is equals to 3. Try to solve this one, please. You have 5 minutes to solve this one. Try to solve this one, okay?
Okay, sir.
Rima, tell me that how you are solving this one. Do you have any idea regarding to this one?
No, sir, I have no idea, sir.
Let me help you. That we have if A comma B comma C are okay, if A comma B comma C are non-zero. Non-zero means they are not the zero. And A plus B plus C is zero. They are all non-zero means it means all are non-zero and A plus B plus C is equals to zero means A have some value, B have some value, C has some value, but they can be negative, positive, or something, whatever it is. But A plus B plus C is equals to zero. Then prove that A square plus B square plus C square means upon this one A square upon BC, this one is equals to 3. You have to prove this one. This is very simple. How you can do this one is we have an identity that is A plus B plus C, A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equals to A plus B plus C bracket A square plus B square plus C square minus of AB minus of BC minus of CA. Here you can check it. The very important thing is that here if A plus B plus C is 0, means this whole term, this A plus B plus C is 0. If this term is 0, this term, this as a whole term is 0. So what we are going to get it 0 into multiplied by A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus AC. Then this whole term will become 0 because 0 multiplied with any bracket will give you 0. Are you getting? Are you?
Sir, your voice got stuck. I'm not able to hear you.
My voice is struggling. Just a minute. Yes, yeah, my voice is means I'm just using proper mic. So it's just tried it because of the internet connection. It may be issue. Okay, yeah. Try to understand again.
Now it's okay, sir.
So what is it here? So you need to understood here one thing that if we have a square, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab, this is an identity. You have to memorize this one. Okay, identity of polynomial.
Oh,
We have a plus b plus c, and then a square plus b square plus c square minus of ab minus of bc minus of c. And this is given to you in the question that a plus b plus c is 0. This is given to you that a plus b plus c is 0. This is 0. So if this whole term is 0, we write here 0. 0 multiplied with this bracket will make this bracket 0, na? 0 multiplied with any bracket, anything is become 0. 5 into 0 is 0. 7 into 0 is 0. So whatever we are multiplying, if this bracket is having, and it is being multiplied with 0, then it will become 0. Okay, now what is it? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab C. Okay, this is 3ABC. Now, this will, since this becomes equal to 0, so this 3ABC will goes to that side and will become A cube plus B cube plus C cube. Mm, it is getting stuck. The laptop, I don't know what is happening today, but it is creating some problem. Just a minute. Just a minute. अब इस रूम का टेम्परेचर I don't know. My laptop is getting stuck today. I don't know why it is happening. So what we are doing? We were doing here till here. Okay. So we have reached here that we were having that whenever a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then in that identity we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Now we have to prove that now we will bring this abc to each and every one. We will have a cube upon abc, we have b cube upon abc, and we have c cube upon abc. Now this c and c will get cancelled out. We have a 1 square here. This b and b will cancel out. We have b square here. And this a and a will get cancelled out. We have a square here. So we have a square upon bc. We have b square upon ac. And we have c square upon ab is equals to 3. And hence proved. Got it?
Sir, how did you got cut?
This is an identity that we have a plus b plus c is equals to 0. Then we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Now this abc is in multiplication with this one. So this will comes in the denominator with each and every one. Like we have something written here 5 plus 2x plus 3, that I'm having an example, is equals to uh, 2y. So if we are just keeping y here, 2 here, then this will become 2x plus y. Sorry, 2x plus 3yy. Okay, now this y will comes in everyone. Okay, denominator you can write it like this way. So similarly, I just write it separately. Okay, this 3abc is coming in the denominator of this one, and this one of everyone. And now this cube and a cube is here and this is a. So a cube when divided by abc, so a and a will get cancelled one. You will get a square upon bc. Got it now?
Yes.
Copy this one, then we shall be moving to the next question. Done, Rima? Copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then do this question, please. Do this question.
Just
So what you are going to do here is which identity you are using here? A, B, C, and this is just similar. Can you tell me that which identity is being used here?
so sorry, your voice got stuck in between. I didn't hear.
Okay. We are just having this identity, Rima. We are just having this root 2 root 2 a cube plus 8 b cube minus 27 c cube minus then plus 18 root 2 abc. So how can you solve this one? This is very simple. You have to use this identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now you can now tell me that you have to generalize this one with this one. Okay, compare this one. Compare this one. Then tell me what is the value of A, what is the value of B, and what is the value of C here in this question.
Value of A is 2, 2 root 2 is 3.
The value of A is, tell me that root 2 is the cube of which number? Root 2A cube is the cube of root 2A. Okay, when you cube it, root 2A into root 2A into root 2A 3 times. Root 2 into root 2 you will get 2. And this root 2 you will get 2 root 2 and A multiplied by A you will get A square and this one you will get A cube. Got it? Got it? So here A is actually root 2A. Got it? Rima.
So got it.
Then tell me what is the value of B here? What is the value of B here?
Value
Yes. Value of B.
8b3. AB
It
cube.
is
Sorry,
8B
sorry.
cube. So that is the cube of which number?
Uh,
8 is the cube of which number? 2.
okay, got it.
Then you can write B is 2B cube. And C, tell me. Minus 27C cube is the cube of which number? So we will have minus तो मेरा लैपटॉप ऐसी तैसी. So we have minus 3C. So when you multiplied minus 3C for the 3 times, okay? When you multiplied minus 3C for the 3 times, you will get minus 27C cube, okay? Got it?
Okay.
Minus,
Yeah,
minus, minus, 3 times multiplied, you will get minus sign. So this is the minus sign of that one. Got it? So we'll write here
got it.
minus 3C into minus 3C into minus 3C. Got it? For the 3 times. And then you will get 3 into 3, you will get minus 27C cube. So this is minus 3C. So A is actually 2 root 2. B is actually this. B is actually this and C is actually this. So you have to expand this one. You have to factorize. Factorize. So what is the identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube? What is the identity?
It's
Yes, Rima, tell me what's the identity?
it's b cube plus 3ab.
No. What is the identity of a cube plus b cube? You have not, you forgot this all? What is the identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc? It is equals to
Uh, uh,
a plus
a
b plus
plus
c.
b plus c, a square plus
Hmm,
b square plus c square
hmm,
minus ab
hmm.
minus bc minus ca.
Okay. So what is your a? Your a is root 2a. So right here root 2a. What is your b? B is 2b. Plus of 2b, na?
To
Plus
b
because we have plus sign here. Plus of 2b you have to write. Okay. Then what is your
minus
c?
3c
Minus 3c.
minus 3.
Then you have to write root 2a square whole square. Okay. Then plus 2b whole square. Then plus minus 3c whole square. Okay. And these are the signs of the formula. So you have to write here accordingly. Okay. Ignore
Okay.
what is written in the bracket. Okay. Don't write it like this way. So here, this is the sign of minus here. So write minus and then a into b. So what is a? A is actually root 2a. And what is b? B is 2b. Write it like this way. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then next, next
2b
minus
minus
is formula from the formula. Then what is b? B is 2b
2b
into b is 2b
minus
into
c
minus 3c. And then again minus sign.
minus minus root 2a
Yes,
into minus 3c.
into minus 3c. Got it. Now what you are going to do here is when you multiply this one, what you are going to get? You are not going to multiply, you will have to write it like this way. Root 2a plus 2b minus 3c. This is a plus b plus c. Okay, then what is the square of this one?
4
No. What is the square of root 2a into root 2a?
2
Root 2.
root 2
You will get 2. Root 2 multiplied by root 2, you will get
root
2.
2.
And a multiplied by a, you will get a square. So you will write 2a square. Got it?
Yeah,
Got it? Then plus, what is the square of 2b square?
it's 4b
4b square. And what is the square of minus 3c square?
9 9 minus 9c.
No, minus not minus 9c. It is plus 9c. Minus 3c into minus 3c you will get. Minus minus will get plus. Okay. When it is in
Okay.
a square terms, the minus minus will get plus and 3 into 3 you will get 9 and c into c you will get c square. So you will get plus 9c square here. Then this will answer will be in negative because here we have two both term as positive. So when they are going to multiply it, you will get minus sign. Why minus sign? Because this is the minus sign here. So you write minus because the answer of this one is positive. Okay, so positive into minus, you will get minus. So 2 into root 2, you will get root 2, 2 root 2, AB. Got it? Then here the
Yes,
answer
sir.
will be positive. Why? Because this is the minus sign here and this is also the product of these two is minus. So minus when multiplied with another minus, you will get plus. You will get plus.
Yes, sir.
So here the answer will be positive. Why? Why? Because this term is already negative. This term is already negative. So 2 into 3 you will get 6 6
6
plus 6
b plus
BC.
c.
And then here again this is minus term and this is minus term. So minus minus will get plus
Plus
and 3 into root 2 you'll get 3 root 2 AC.
3 root 2 is.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Copy this one please. Copy this one. Done? Rima, copied?
Second, sir.
Copied, copied. Done, Rima?
Yes, sir.
Now solve this one, please. Solve this question. So done, Rima. How will you solve this one? Tell me. They are the four terms. Four terms. So which identity is being used here? Tell me fast.
Sir, A plus B plus C
Yes.
A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA.
A square. Wait, there is no C square, Rima. These are two terms, X and Y. So we have to use the second identity, which is this identity. A x plus y whole cube. We have x cube plus y cube minus plus 3a square b. Here you can see, but here you can see, uh, we are just going to have 12xy plus 64 we are going to have here, na? A cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay. So here we are just going to write use this identity, that is cubing on both sides. So you have to cube this one so that you can get this value. Okay. so that you can get this value. Okay, so what you are going to do here is you have to cube. How will you get x cube and y cube? How will you get this x cube and y cube? So when you cube this one, when you will do x plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy bracket x plus y. Okay, are you getting my point?
Okay. Yes,
So
sir.
this is the identity x cube plus y cube. So what is the value? Why we are getting? We need to find out the value of this one, of this one. So how will you get this value? This is very simple. What you need to do is x plus y, you have to put the value of x plus y as minus 4 whole cube. Why? Because here the minus 4 is given to you, x plus y. So you write here minus 4 whole cube, then you have to find out this value. So you have to write out as it is. Why you need to find out? Because you have to put that value here in this equation. Okay. Then plus 3xy, write it like this way. And then again, write this x plus y. The value of x plus y is minus 4. Again, write it minus 4 here. Got it? Then what you are going to do here is you have to multiply this. Sorry, what is the cube of minus 4? What is the cube of minus 4? Tell me, Rima. Will it be positive 64 or minus 64?
Minus 64.
Yes, because when we are having a negative number and we are having its power in odd number, then the answer will be negative. Because minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So this minus minus will get plus, and then again this plus when multiplied with this one, it will gives you minus. So we will have minus sign. And 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64. So the answer is minus of 64 here is equals to x cube plus y cube, and then this 4 is going to multiply with this one, you will get minus 4xy. Sorry, minus 12xy. 4 3s are 12. So you will write minus 12xy. Now you can see that this whole value x cube plus y cube minus 12xy is exactly equal to minus 64. Got it? So what you are going to write here is that in place of this one, that x cube plus y cube minus 12xy and plus 64, you have to find out this value, whole value. And you have find out the value of this one is minus 64. And then right here plus 64. This will get cancelled out, you will get 0. Got it?
Got it, sir. Yeah.
Got it? You have to practice. You have to keep on practicing. Otherwise, you will forget each and everything. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Copy this one. Copy this one fast.
Yeah.
A point, we have this question. A point lies on x-axis at a distance of 7 unit from the y-axis. A point lies on x-axis at a distance of 7 unit from y-axis. Where what are its coordinates? What are its coordinates? You need to find out first. And second is question, what will be its coordinate? What will be the coordinate if if it lies on y-axis at a distance of -7 units from x-axis. A point lies on x-axis at a distance of 7 units from y-axis. Tell me. Solve this one, please. Point lies on x-axis. So on x-axis, which value is 0? Tell me. Rima, tell me on x-axis, which component value is 0? Which coordinate is 0? Rima, are you there in the class?
Yes, and
Tell me which coordinate is 0 on x-axis? So we will have a point lies on x-axis at a distance of 7 unit from y-axis. What from y-axis? What is its coordinate? So its coordinate will be, tell me, will be, because on x-axis y value is 0. On x-axis y coordinate, coordinate is 0. Understood? On x-axis y coordinate is 0. So when we are going to have y coordinate 0, so the coordinate of this one will be 7, 0. Got it? So what is coordinate? What will be the coordinate if it lies on y-axis? If it lies on y-axis. So on y-axis, which coordinate is 0? Tell me. On y-axis, which coordinate is 0? X coordinate is 0, na? So 0, and it lies as -7 unit from the x-axis. So it will be -7. This is very simple.
okay.
So revise, tomorrow and whenever there will be the maths class. Okay, we shall be having your test. Okay, so you have to practice your test. Okay, and for delay and today's that we are not having the full hour class today, so we'll adjust it on some other day. We'll give you some extra time. Okay, so practice first 3 chapters,
So,
and on the first 3 chapters you are going to have your test very soon. Got
so
it?